Hello everyone. We are going to lunch out. Yes, I have a lunch date with my son Adam. He invited me to eat out kasi tapos na ang kanyang filming. So, medyo na bawasan ang kanyang stress. Yes, pupunta kami sa Vietnamese restaurant. Ang place na ito guys ay para din siyang Chinatown. So, it's like Vietnam town. Lahat ng mga tindahan dito ay para puro Vietnamese. So, ang pangalan ng restaurant is like Nam Phong. Yeah. Maganda ang ano nito guys. And feedback kasi Michelin check. So, if it's Michelin, that means it's a good one. So, ito si Adam, nag-check-in na kami. So, medyo hindi pa maraming tao kasi ano pa nga yan, early lunch. Yeah. We're beating the crowd. So, ito nakaupo na kami. So, ang plano namin ay ako ito sa akin, rice vermicelli, and kay Adam is pho, yung noodle soup. So, ito na ang order namin guys. Ito ang kay Adam at sa akin ay yung i-wrap mo yung food, yung they're all like greens, fresh vegetable. Ang sarap guys. So, I really like what I ordered. At itong water na paglagyan nila guys, very unique. At ito naman si Cutie. Thanks for watching. Bye.